Emoji, something.
Emoji. This is life.
Ano ba yung dibuhat? Yan, bubog ka ba? Hindi naman.
Yan naman.
Baka na, buboy.
Hindi naman masyado.
Sabi ko sa iyo, ma. Wala kami din. Hinabihan ko nga siya na pwede mag-stay tayo longer, sabi niya. Okay, ramang kung mag-extend ta karon
Butang sa
one day.
gratis.
Mag-extend ta one day. Ang problema, ang pag-travel na po ito, kumakay straight ka, pwede tayo din. So, pag-straight. Sige. Stick to the plan na lang.
Hi guys! I'm with my niece, Ate Marjorie. So we're going to the
Lucky that I was born first.
ocean. Puno na mo yung bottle of tubig from the ocean.
Kasi I believe that vitamin C, that vitamin C, that the ocean is a natural medicine, especially for skin, even skin diseases. Diseases, yeah, like dry skin, anything about skin. Vitamin C. Water, salt water is the best medicine. I believe, and I believe.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch
Wait,
the sand.
wait, seems the water moved backwards. Ha? Backwards ganon, di ba? Kanina was closer siya.
Mm.
So nag-backward siya. And then afternoon or late afternoon, it go move back again here. Kalami sa sand.